Hello everyone, welcome in Bhargav Physics coaching classes. My dear students, आज का जो वीडियो लेक्चर है वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम which is based on combination of errors. This topic I have taken from the chapter error. Now, what kind of problem I am talking about which is based on combination of errors? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एरर जो टॉपिक है उसमें 5-6 डिफरेंट केसेस हैं. जिस केस पे प्रॉब्लम नीट एग्जाम में या फिर जेई में कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछी जा सकती है, यहां तक कि लास्ट 2 इयर्स के अगर आप सैंपल पेपर जेई मेंस के चेक करें तो आपको इस टॉपिक का जो केस मैं आपको डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं उस केस के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम पूछी गई है. सो माय डियर, लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट विच इज बेस्ड ऑन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एरर्स. प्रॉब्लम को बताने से पहले मैं आपको वो केस डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा. एंड केस इज एरर इन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ अ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी रेज टू पावर. प्लीज नोटिस इट वेरी केयरफुली. व्हाट इज द केस? केस इज एरर in the measurement of physical quantity raised to power. Mathematically I can write here z is equal to a to raise power n. This is the case on which today's problem is based. Now in this mathematical representation, A is the physical quantity which is raised to power n, and error is found here in Z. So how we can find the percentage error? How we can find the percentage error in this case, which is the case where physical quantity is raised to power. My dear, notice very carefully. I am telling you the key points here to solve this kind of case. So first of all, I will change this Z physical quantity into the fractional error, and then I will do the multiply with 100%. So see very carefully what I am going to say. See, this quantity Z can be converted into fractional error according to its statement, which is the ratio to the mean absolute error to the mean value. I can write mathematically delta Z upon Z into 100%. So this is the percentage error in Z is equal to, now this is the quantity A which is raised to the power n. So how I can convert this mathematical representation into percentage error? So very easy. This will be equal to n times delta A upon A into 100%. Notice this key point very carefully, which is I have kept inside the box, because this formula would help you further the problem I am going to discuss with you. Now I am taking the problem here. Problem is, if the maximum percentage error in mass and length of the side of the cube is given, suppose here the maximum percentage error in mass of cube and is given to you 2%, and maximum percentage error in length of side of cube is 3%, then question is, what is the maximum percentage error of the density of the cube? Listen the statement very carefully. How the questions can be asked, the case I am going to discuss with you. The problem can be asked like this: we have given the maximum percentage error in the mass of the cube, which is equal to 2%, and the maximum percentage error in the length of the side of the cube is given 3%, and now I have to find the maximum percentage error in the density of the cube. So how we can solve this kind of problem? Now follow me. See here, I have to find the maximum percentage error in the case of density. So as density of the cube having the physical formula mass per unit volume, this is very easiest. Now this can be further written as mass upon, how we can find the volume, that is the cube of the length. And in the given statement we have given the maximum percentage error in mass 2% and in length it is given 3%. So first of all I will use here the formula I have discussed with you in beginning. So notice very carefully. First of all I will change this density into the percentage error. So this can be written as delta rho upon rho into 100% is equal to, same thing I will do in the case mass per unit cube of length. So first of all I will convert the mass into the percentage error according to the formula I have discussed with you. So this is equal to delta m upon m into 100%. Now plus, this will be equal to 3 times of the length, delta L upon L into 100%. My dear students, this is the main point while solving this kind of problem. What I have done, first I have converted the mass into the fractional error, see here, then I multiplied with 100%. Plus, why I have taken the sign of plus before converting the length of the side of the cube? Because error always additive in nature, that's why I have taken plus. Then I converted cube n into the fractional error and into 100%. Keep in mind any physical quantity which is raised to the power, it is the error in this kind of measurement will be power times the fractional error of the given physical quantity. According to this logic, I have converted cube of L like this. Now very easy. How much percentage error in mass is given? We have 2%, plus how much percentage error in length is given? 3%. It can be any figure. Okay. So now you will see here percentage error here given in the case of the length 3%, and here we will multiply by 3 because power times n times the percentage error is given. So n is here 3. So this can be written as 2% plus 3 3s are 9%, and this becomes 11%. Means to say that we have to ask to find out maximum percentage error in the density of the cube. It will come 11%. So I have solved this problem with very easiest key point. So my dear, same thing I would like to discuss with you. अब आपको इसी टाइप की जो प्रॉब्लम है और दूसरी इस केस के रिलेटेड, वो आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, और इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम जो है वो आपको नीट एग्जाम में और पूछी जा सकती है। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि इस मेरे इस YouTube चैनल को आप बेटा सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना नहीं भूलिएगा। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे।